Wow, I look like crap right now. But I realized I didn't start my vlog at all this week. So, hey guys, welcome to a brand new week. I just showered. Yeah, that's why I look like crap. I am overdue for a haircut, that is for sure. I haven't had a haircut since, I think the beginning of May or near the middle of May. It is now, what, the second week of June. So yeah, I'm long overdue for a haircut because I need to get my hair once a month. The reason why I waited so long is because my stylist went on vacation for a month, so I had to wait for him to come back. And even after that, I have to get a day off because my stylist is so far away, I really can't get to him and then go to work, or vice versa, finish work and go to him because he'll be closed by then. Anyway, yeah. Sorry I started the vlog so late. I didn't realize it didn't start, and plus it's been pretty hectic. First off, I think my sleeping is better, but I'm just still really tired. I think it's because I got it to fix to the point where at 11 p.m. I'm starting to fade. So it just seems like I'm not getting enough sleep, but I am. It's just that I've been sleeping a lot earlier, which means I'm waking up a lot earlier. So yeah, we'll see how long this time it lasts. If I can, I love the fact that I'm waking up so early. It's just hard to keep track. Especially if I have plans at night, then it just drags on, and then my sleeping schedule goes back to my 2 a.m., 3 a.m. kind of thing, which is strange, but it's just that I'm just a person that just sucks at sleeping. Anyway, this week not much has happened. I'm gonna try to cut my hair on Thursday, and then tomorrow I have work early, so I am gonna sleep soon. Even though it's middle of the day. I have my shift at 10 tomorrow, 10 a.m., so I don't have to sleep that early, but I'm probably going to sleep very soon. It's 11 o'clock right now. I'm probably going to be asleep by 11:30 because I'm already feeling pretty tired. And then nothing else is too crazy happening this week, I don't think. No, I don't think so. I've been drinking 3 of these full Stanley cups of water every day. I don't know why. I feel really dehydrated. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm getting sick. That's the only reason why I get dehydrated when I start to get sick. That's one of my symptoms. Anyway, next week I'm supposed to head to Calgary for a big conference meeting for my job. But the thing is, I don't know if you guys see in the news, but there's like a water shortage in Calgary right now, and I don't know how that's gonna pan out. I'm only there for a day, but honestly, I felt like my district manager should just had it in Vancouver, because the meeting usually is in Vancouver because more of the store managers are in Vancouver. He says the cost is cheaper for us to fly out more managers into Calgary and getting hotel rooms than flying into Vancouver. I don't think that's entirely true. I know Vancouver is expensive, but not that crazy that an extra 2 plane tickets plus 5 hotel rooms is cheaper than 4 plane tickets and 4 hotel rooms. I don't think so. Because even the people in Edmonton have to get down there somehow. I don't know. I just think my district manager's tired of traveling, maybe. I don't know. But with the water thing happening, it says it could keep going for a week or so. I don't know if that's going to impact the trip or not. I don't want to, not be able to shower, especially when I'm about to go into a meeting. In fact, no one's going to shower, because apparently, I read the news, apparently you're not supposed to be showering as much, or washing dishes, but it's like, yeah, the shower is kind of gross. Anyway, we'll see. I'm hoping it gets moved, but I don't think it will be, because all the tickets are bought, the hotel rooms are all booked, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, so it's a pretty standard week. Sleeping is a little better, I guess, but yeah, we'll see how it goes for the week. Basically, right now I'm just making my hot lemon green tea water right now. What I usually do is I get a cup and put in lemon, squeeze out a half a lemon, fill it halfway with hot water, and that's it. And then I grab another cup and steep the green tea. And then after they cool down, I combine them, because I can drink them both hot. It's just that I'm using it for work, so it's gonna be cold anyway. So that's why. That's what I'm doing. And there we have it. We have the hot lemon water and then my green tea that's steeping. And then once it's fully steeped and cooled down a bit, I pour it into my traveler tumbler thing. Now, usually, you know how I always just drink this in the morning, to help with my digestion and metabolism. It still does. It's just that with the green tea added to it, it makes it easier to drink. Plus, it doesn't break my fast because there's no sugar. That's why it's good. And also really helps with my fasting because it also dulls my appetite. So it's good. And my stomach feels amazing. So it's been amazing for me to do this. But then again, some days I just don't want to use green tea. I just use hot lemon or vice versa. Both are really good. I just try to stay away from green tea when it's later in the day because I don't know if it's having an effect on my sleep. Because there are days where I can't sleep. And the only factor that changed was me drinking this too late in the day. But there's not much caffeine in it. I don't know. There could be another factor, but just on the safe side now. The kitchen is quite messy, but I am so tired right now. It's about 11:40 right now. I just got to shower and everything, but I think I'm just gonna head to bed. I have a day off tomorrow anyway, so I will do the dishes and big cleanup tomorrow my day off. So yeah, I'm so tired. I'm gonna sleep. But yeah, it was a good week. My sleeping is definitely improved because I just gave up. I was sleeping as soon as I'm tired, and usually when I'm getting tired is around 10 p.m., 11 p.m. So that's been pretty good, which is better because I don't know if I'm in focus right now. Am I? Yeah, if I'm not, I'm sorry, because I can't see my glasses. Anyway, as I was saying, I sleep at 10, 11 p.m. and then I'm usually waking around 6 or 7. So that's about 7-8 hours. So that's greatly improved, and I have a lot more energy during the day. But around 8-9 p.m. I start crashing, and then usually I get past the little hurdle there. But then by 11:30 I am crashing again. So pretty good. So tomorrow's day off. I'm just gonna clean my apartment a little bit, do some laundry, because next week could be a little bit different. I don't know how I'm gonna approach next week actually, because next week my days off are a little funky and my work schedule is a little bit different because I have to fly to Calgary for work, and it's the most pointless work ever. It's basically a meeting honestly that can be done on Zoom. Waste of company money, and the company's wondering why they're losing money. Yeah, I think the goal of this meeting is to get all the same level managers in one room so we can have a good teamwork, get along. Let's be honest, in my many years of retail, usually store managers don't get along. I think it's a thing. No matter what company, no matter what, store managers just do not get along. And my company just wants us to get along. So henceforth, that's why they're gonna fly out 5 of us, and 1 of us in Manitoba, 2 from Edmonton, all the way down to Calgary, get all these hotel rooms, spend all this money for a 5-hour meeting. Not even a full day, it's just a 5-hour meeting. So I think the thing is, I leave Tuesday afternoon, I land Tuesday evening in Calgary, sleep, wake up, go to my meeting for 5 hours. After the meeting is over, I go back to the airport and come back to Vancouver. It's just extremely pointless. But yeah, that's that. So that's gonna be in the middle of the week. I don't know if I'm gonna be vlogging because I'm gonna be with my colleagues. And as I said, we don't get along. I kind of get along with them, but not really. I get along with 1 and the rest of them just fake. And I don't know how they feel about me pulling a camera out. So if anything, if I vlog, which I probably will vlog, I probably will use my phone because it's more discreet. I think I'll still bring my camera, but I'm not gonna really vlog in front of them because I don't want them to be like, what the hell is James doing? and I don't want to explain what I do to these people anyway. But yeah, it'll be interesting. Anyway, I am really crashing right now, so I'm gonna head to bed. So I guess I'll see you all next week. I don't even know if this is in focus.